Welcome back, Slaters. I hope you all are doing good. Slaters, in our earlier video session, we learned about the first sense organ. Now, can you all tell me which one was that? Yes, the eyes. In today's video, we will be going ahead with the lesson and learn more about our other sense organs. So Slaters, please turn to page number 182 of your textbook. Did you get the page? Good. Let's begin. We hear with our ears. Every day we hear different kinds of sounds. These sounds tell us something. For example, the sound of thunder, 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 tells us it is likely to rain. Also, a baby crying to tell her or his mother that the baby needs attention. Children, can you all hear me? Good. You all can hear me through your ears. Slaters, we hear different kinds of sounds around us, which give us various information. Like our school bell tells us that the class has started. You attend the phone call only after you hear it ringing, isn't it, Slaters? Yes. So, our ears are the most important sense organ for communication. Now, what is communication? Communication is the exchange of information. Children, listening is an important part of communication and learning. You can communicate or talk only when you listen. Yes, Slaters? Good. Now let's continue reading. Loud sound disturbs us. They also cause noise pollution. Now, Slaters, underline the words noise pollution. N-O-I-S-E, noise, pollution, P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Children, harmful levels of noise lead to noise pollution. Slaters, tell me one thing. Would you like if someone honks near your ears continuously? No, you won't, because this causes disturbance and irritation. Such kind of noise is called noise pollution. Am I clear, Slaters? Nice. Now let's read further. Shilpa cannot hear well. The doctor has given her a hearing aid. A-I-D, aid. It means a kind of help. Now Shilpa can hear things clearly. Slaters, few people around us cannot hear properly. This could be because of reasons like illness, age, or even due to exposure to loud noises. These kind of people need doctor's help and are given hearing aid. This helps them in hearing. Most of the times, you may observe this hearing aid used by the old people, isn't it? Have you noticed it any time? Okay, now let's continue reading. Some people cannot hear at all. They watch our lip movements to understand what we say. This is called lip reading. Some people cannot speak and hear. They use sign language to express themselves. Children, underline the word sign language. S-I-G-N, sign language. L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E, language. Now children, have you observed any time few people doing actions with their hands and trying to express something? Yes, they do this to express what they feel through the sign language. Also, Slaters, I'm sure you all must have played the game of Dumb Charade. Yes, it's a game where one person tries to convey words, names of songs, movies, etc. through the sign language. Do you all remember this game? Yes, we all have played this game sometimes. Interesting game it is, isn't it, Slaters? Now, Slaters, you must take care of your ears too. Like, for example, there are few points listed here. Let's read one by one. Number 1. Sharp objects will harm your ears. Do not use them to clean your ears. Slaters, you should always use a good quality earbud to gently clean your ears. But never go for any pointed things like safety pin or hair clips to clean your ear. Understood, Slaters? Nice. Number 2. Dry your ears with soft clean towel after a bath to keep them clean and dry. Number 3. Avoid water entering your ears to prevent infection. Slaters, underline the word infection. I-N-F-E-C, T-I-O-N, infection. Now here infection means any kind of ear problems due to the entry of germs. Understood, Slaters? Very good. Now let's read point number 4. Go to a doctor if you have any earache. Now Slaters, underline this word too, earache. E-A-R-A-C-H-E. Now what do you mean by earache? Yes, like headache, we do get sometimes earache, which means ear pain. I'm sure you all must be already following these things in order to take care of your ears. Isn't it, Slaters? Very good. Now let's continue further. The next sense organ is nose. Let's read. Our nose helps us to smell things. Ranjana loves to smell food. Sujit holds his nose when he walks past a rubbish bin. Asma loves strong smells, but her sister Gul prefers mild ones. Now, Slaters, this sense organ present right in the center of your face plays a major role for us, apart from smelling. Can you all tell me what it is? Yes. We breathe with the help of our nose. Nose helps us to smell and taste as well. Smell of freshly baked cake, rain, biryani and perfumes enhances our moods too. Isn't it, Slaters? Yes. But sometimes our nose also picks stinky smell of rubbish bins, which we really feel like moving away from. Therefore, our nose helps us in keeping ourselves safe from harmful things. But Slaters, sometimes we lose our sense of smelling. Can you tell me when does this happen? Yes, when we get cold or flu. These conditions does not allow airflow through our nose, which can cause loss of sense of smell. Right, Slaters? Let's read further. It is important to take care of your nose. Do not put things into your nostril, as you will not be able to breathe. Slaters, underline the word nostril. N-O-S-T-R-I-L, nostril. It means the opening of nose. We have two nostrils, isn't it? Yes. Let's read. Avoid rubbing your nose hard. It may cause harm. Avoid dusty places as you may catch a cold. So Slaters, above mentioned points are very clear. Like our other sense organs, we need to take care of our nose health too. Now let's continue reading. Keep your nose covered if you are in a dusty place. Blow your nose into a handkerchief if you have a cold. Cover your nose when you sneeze. Slaters, underline the word sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Now here sneeze means to breathe out forcibly when something like dust, dirt goes into your nose. Yes, Slaters, nose is also an easy way for germs to enter in our body. Therefore, it is important to avoid dusty areas and use a tissue when you all have cold. We should also cover our nose when we sneeze. By doing this, we all can stop the spread of infection. So Slaters, let's recapitulate what we learned in today's video session. We learned that we hear different kinds of sounds with our ears. Too much of loud sound causes disturbance and cause noise pollution. Few people use hearing aids to hear clearly. Understanding lip movements is called as lip reading. We also learned that some people use sign languages to express themselves. We learned that nose helps us in breathing and smelling. However, when we are affected with cold or flu, it can lead to the loss in the sense of smell. So Slaters, in our next video, let us understand in detail about the other sense organs. Till then, you should read the lesson explained so far. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.